The order of operations is used to explain the steps we take when solving a problem with multiple steps. As far as solving any problem with multiple steps, if there are parentheses first, that is what we solve. So the first step is P for parentheses. After anything with parentheses, we would solve anything with exponents. So if we saw something like 3 squared, we would solve that. So we would replace it with a 9 because that's what 3 squared is. After solving the parentheses and exponents, we multiply and divide from right to left, or from left to right in the problem. So if we had division before multiplication, we would be dividing because it came first. Along with that, after that, we add and subtract at the same time, again from left to right within the problem. So remember, you're multiplying and dividing, then adding and subtracting left to right, just like you read a book. Let's try and solve this problem using the order of operations, remembering that first we would solve any parentheses, then we would look at exponents, then we would multiply and divide, then we would add and subtract. So when I look at this problem, I'm going to take a look at it first and see that I don't have any parentheses, so I can knock off that step. Then I evaluate the problem again, looking for exponents. Again, I do not have any exponents in this problem, so I'm done with that step. Now I'm going to multiply and divide from left to right. So as I'm working across this problem, I see 5 plus 3 times 2. There is my first instance, so that is what I'm going to solve first. 3 times 2 is 6, and then I'm going to rewrite the problem. So now I have 5 plus 6 minus 9 divided by 3. Now I will take a look at the problem again, seeing if I have any more multiplication or division. When I look at this problem now, I have 5 plus 6 minus 9 divided by 3. So I look there, and that's what I will be solving. So now I have 9 divided by 3 is 3, and I bring down the rest of the problem. 5 plus 6 minus 3. The minus came from there. Now I will look at the problem again. I do not have any more multiplication or division, so I will move on to addition and subtraction. Here I have addition first, so I will solve that. 5 plus 6 is 11 minus 3. Now that that is my last step, I can solve the problem. I have 11 minus 3 is 8. So again, looking at the order of operations, if I have any parentheses, I solve them first, then exponents, multiply and divide just like I would read a book, add and subtract just like I would read a book. Now it's your turn to give this a try. Which part of this problem would you solve first? 7 plus 10 divided by 2 times 3. Take a look at the answers and decide which you would solve first. That's correct. C is the right answer. We multiply and divide from left to right, so we would choose C first. Let's try another problem. Solve this problem. That's correct. 49 is the correct answer when we follow the order of operations, solving first the parentheses, then multiplying and dividing, then adding and subtracting. Great job.